Yeah, good evening, brother. Good evening, sister. Good evening, my lovely people all over the world. Respect. Please, if you can share this information to go viral, is very, very important for our brothers and our sister living in Germany, request for help in Germany, seeking asylum in Germany, that the Germany government rejects their asylum. Please, if you can help me to share this information, I don't carry nonsense rumors. I don't talk rubbish. Please, my brother, if you have anybody in Germany that is complaining for you that Germany government reject my asylum, reject this thing, please help me share this video. See, Germany have make a big appointment of mass deportation for Nigerians citizens living in Germany. On the 25th of last month, on the 26th of last month, I talk on this page, shout that they want to deport with cargo, CCCC. But some people say I dey talk rubbish, some people say I talk nonsense. But in the morning, around 8 o'clock, which is on the 27th, we see the result. See, my brother, on the 24th of August 2021, this year we here, my brother, if you are living in Germany, we know as everything is. If you are living in Germany and Germany said you should out of their country, they don't need you, bros, sister, please, maybe you get brother for there where you go fit package your life, and if possible, or if you get sister, if it possible. But if they reject you, but you are still inside the camp, bro, they will deport you on the 24th of August 2021. You people should not reason my word like this guy wey no go even go school. Wetin dey talk? I know wetin they talk. Oh, that's why he say the truth is bitter. And Yoruba make parable say, cripple wey get sense. If you hear say word dey come, small you go dey waka dey go. We dey for the situation. All of us dey for the situation. And if you are in France, and France is telling you that Germany government say they should bring you back to the country, and you are in Germany before, you run out of Germany, you run to France. If they tell you say Germany government say you should come back, if you go, my brother, on the 24th of August, you meet yourself for Nigeria. If you like, take it. I don't first talk on the 24th, on the 26th of last month, July. On the 25th of last month, July, I make say mass deportation on the 27th. I talk and people saying a lie. Pakistan people on the 28th July 2021, they are going to deport Pakistan people. On the 10th of August, 2021, Afghanistan, they are going to deport them. Kosovo, on the 26th of August 2021, they are going to deport them. On the 29th of September, they are going to deport Ghana. But they have already deal with Nigeria, which is on the 27th of last month. But now, this is business. I'm not talking rubbish. I'm not talking about politicians or Buhari. No. This is what they have signed, that they should return them back home. See, we there for the situation because I stayed for that country called Germany in 2016, 2017. And now is it. Brother, if you have 2 years documents in Italy, you won't seek asylum in Germany, they will delay you for Germany to make that 2 years you have in Italy that you did not value. They will make it useless for you. Later, they will deport you. If you are passing through this thing, my brother, my sister, on the 24th of August, see, you know the one they deport on the 27th, which is last month. It's just they just magara and it's 39. They just put them together, say follow them go. This is original one, full flight. If you like, you take it. If you like, you no take it. You know, concern me. All of us dey for the struggle. All of us dey find where it go better for us also. People, our English people say one bird at hand is better than 100,000 birds inside the bush that you are just hearing the voice. My brother, May your way out of Germany. If Germany say may you come up for that country, you go back to that Italy where you they say you no like. You go back to that country where you for put your first hand. If they reject you for Germany, they don't give you dudu. You don't get a solution. What they give me that year? A solution, if you know say they don't say suspect for deportation, now you day. No stay for your room, oh. No say you won't do a goju. See, if they deport you come Italy or even Romania or Slovakia or Slovenia, now Europe you see the if they carry you go good morning, Ekaro, Nigeria. Well, make a note of too much. Be careful on the 24th of August 2021 for Germany. If they have already reject your asylum. If they tell you that you go back to Italy you come from, or you go back to France you come from, you can see now Germany and Austria, they have negotiated together. They are deporting through Germany. You understand me? They are deporting through Germany. Now France, they don't want to deport because something have happened to this country before, because they make deportation before, and like almost 20 days they shut down their parliament, because this is 50-50 country, which is France. If you are in France, France tell you that you should go back to Germany, that Germany say they should bring you back. Oga no go, mama no go, my brother no go. Find your way, go back to that country where you for put your first hand down. All this run way you run up and down, brother, I no go help you. Go sit down for one place. On the 24th of August is very, very brutal. No wala. I don't talk my own. I don't come for that matter. I don't talk now. So it no go happen to us, inshallah. Because the Europe, not be that with some people, always have to take plan and not be so it be. Everybody find good life. People will go Germany, go they sleep for streets. They run for immigration police, all those things. Not be the happiness. They find good life, true. We all know. But brother, one bed at hand is better than 1 million bed inside the bush. No problem. That one don't go. I bet let me share. I make I talk this one. You get waiting your day for my mind. Do I never even know? Make I start my broken now. That my important information. I've already sent it out. The one that because they rate Nigeria as a 5 country that owe debt for the whole world, they rate them like that. But we they see different people for inside the nation called Nigeria, they do miracle money, miracle alert, different alert. See, Yoruba me parable say, we know if you get person for where orange tree drink, we they drink the one we no good. Now the one we good now we don't drink. Make Nigerian government worry all the senator, even when they call Apostle Suleiman, when they call and come outside with all in member, with all in small pastor, where we say that they do miracle money, miracle alert. This so when Nigeria they borrow money up and down, we don't understand. We don't understand. So may they do miracle alert for inside Nigeria account. May they do miracle alert for inside Nigeria account. All those small pastors with the big ones from Lemon will be the CEO of a miracle money. They should call them together so that they can help the nation. God have already blessed us with all those pastors. So they should do something for the nation. They should just do something so that Nigeria will stop borrowing money from China, from America, from UK. They will stop all those things. We will so that they will remove our name from the five countries that all the debt of the highest debt in the world. The 5 countries. And we get people like Apostle Suleiman that always calling miracle money, miracle alert. But I know wala shall everywhere good though. See, that is my important message. You people should follow up, share my program. Bye. One love. If you like, take it. If you like, don't take it. If you share it, now your favor. Your brother can watch it because you don't know what your brother is passing through. It's in Germany. You don't know what is passing through. You understand me? That is it. No wala. Good night. Bye.